What up, everybody? It's your boy Ant from the Dubs family coming to y'all with a magic Fruity Pebbles unboxing, tasting, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm about to eat these. You get a chance to win some LeBron Low Fruity Pebble 19. Yeah, the 19 Low though. Yeah, pick it up wherever you can if you can find it. Maybe you can find it on eBay for like $20, $25. It's actually selling on there for that much. But, yeah. And you get a 20% off Nike. That's a lot off Nike, especially if you need some Nike shoes. Parents go out there and find this box so y'all can get it. Milk changes color. Supposed to change purple. Alright, yeah, we chose oat milk. Yeah, I don't do regular milk. Oat milk. Yeah. Oh, Barney and freaking Fred rocking some LeBrons. Yeah. But I want the Fruity Pebble LeBron 4s. If anybody knows about that. If y'all don't, go look them up because they dropping this holiday season, December. I will be getting a pair. I don't care how much it costs. I will be getting a pair. But let's get into this cereal. Which side am I supposed to open? You never know. There we go. There we go. Y'all ever seen somebody open a cereal box so perfect? I love cereal, y'all. How much y'all want me to eat of this? I ain't ate today, so we just gonna pour the biggest bowl ever. Oh yeah. I don't care. I'm by myself. I'm about to tear this cereal up. Look, let's set that cereal down. Get this oat milk a little stir. Yeah, buddy. I like a lot of milk. Let's move that out the way. And yeah, y'all, the milk is turning purple, but y'all want to see in that? But I don't know if I can let y'all see. It might just dump all over the place, but let me see. Boy, that shit. That tastes like sugar. But, yeah, it does have that Fruity Pebble taste. Am I going to have a tummy ache after this? Probably if I use regular milk. Is this too much dang sugar to be eating? Probably, but I'm going to be a kid today. Sugar. I don't know if y'all can see the milk. It's turned purple. But it's turned purple as magic. And if y'all ain't had breakfast, go ahead and have breakfast with me. If I was a kid, this whole box would be gone. Yeah. We got a little bit of ASMR. Quiet, y'all, quiet. Tell you what, I poured too much. But I'm gonna continue to eat it, y'all. Just for y'all. That does look weird. That purple. I'm trying to finish it. Will your kids love this? Yes, because kids love sugar. Will you win the shoe on that box? I don't think so, but I don't know. Who wins the prizes? Whoever. Y'all think people really win prizes off cereal boxes? Or win this $1 million. You got a chance at McDonald's? No. No. I ain't even drinking this milk, y'all. I'm finishing this bowl. I don't eat this much cereal. My God. Tried and had a whole meal's worth. Y'all getting to see a whole big ass bowl of Magic Fruity Pebbles. I think I ate enough for y'all. Yo, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell button. Comment in the section if you think I'm crazy for eating this much cereal. I appreciate everybody coming to join the Dubs family where you are my family. Hey, parents, run on out and get your kids a box of this and enter a chance to win. And I really do hope they win them a pair of shoes. You never know what can happen. But yeah. Go get yourself some. This is Ant from the Dubs family. And yo, I'm out of here.